In a world striving to chart a path toward a more sustainable and brighter future, people are more aware of their environmental impact, and the demand for smarter and cleaner transportation solutions has never been higher. It is in this context that micromobility is rapidly expanding, with manufacturers developing more efficient and eco-friendly alternatives to traditional vehicles, such as e-bikes, scooters, cargo bikes, tricycles, velomobiles, and more. These micro-vehicles are now everywhere within public space, but the majority of them are aimed at urban dwellers seeking a way to get around town more easily and efficiently. So what about those who need an eco-friendly mobility solution for long-distance journeys? Sensing a gap in the market, Velomobile World has created a high-performance velomobile specifically engineered with a strong focus on long-distance cycling. Baptized the Bülk Distance, the new muscle-powered vehicle boasts a tadpole trike design and a car-like enclosed cabin for aerodynamic efficiency and protection from weather and collisions. Promising an efficient alternative to traditional fossil fuel-powered vehicles, the Bülk Distance relies solely on human power, eliminating the need for charging infrastructure and offering virtually unlimited range. It is based on the manufacturer's earlier Bülk Mk1 model, which was introduced in 2021, and combines the flexibility and agility of a tricycle with the comfort and stability of a car. What differentiates it from its predecessor is a more aerodynamic body design optimized through computational fluid dynamics, with input from Eric Helter, who is known for collaborating with racing teams from Porsche, KTM, and Lamborghini. As such, the new model is designed for speed and aerodynamic efficiency, promising an optimized ride experience to those who need to cover longer routes outside urban settings. According to the company, riders shouldn't expect the easy maneuverability of the previous models in its lineup, as this velomobile is not intended for busy urban areas where low speeds and narrow streets are the norm. Instead, it will unveil its full potential in open road environments that allow for long drives. The low ground clearance 8.5 cm at the front and 8 cm at the rear and limited turning radius also indicate that it's not intended for city use. Though actual performance numbers have not been revealed, the Distance velomobile is touted as the fastest and most efficient model in the Bülk series. For reference, previous models achieved average cruising speeds of 21 to 22 miles per hour and top speeds of 31 miles per hour, and given the improved aerodynamics of this newer model, we assume it will exceed those numbers. With an overall length of 104 inches, a width of 27 inches, and a height of 34 inches, the Bülk Distance weighs in at just about 55 pounds. It's constructed primarily from glass-reinforced plastic, which ensures easy maintenance and helps keep weight down. The new design also prioritizes accessibility, pioneering a new technology called drag and grab, which aims to improve user autonomy by simplifying access to key components for maintenance. For instance, you will notice an oversized bow opening that allows for easy engine compartment access and installation of bottom bracket motors. The new design also includes external openings at the front wheel arches for tubeless tire servicing, and an enlarged rear derailleur service hatch for easier cassette access and wheel removal. The Bülk Distance velomobile is already available for order on the Romanian manufacturer's web store, with prices for the standard configuration starting at €12,185, which translates to about $13,900.